Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to solve simple error. Error is secure boot violation. The system found unauthorized changes on the firmware, operating system or UEFI drives. I am using SS motherboard. You can using another motherboard. Process is the same. So let's go and fix this. First of all, just press OK on your keyboard.
Now I am going to the BIOS settings of my motherboard. I am pressing delete key for my motherboard BIOS key. Depending on your motherboard, your BIOS key must be different. I give some list of the BIOS key in the description. Choose your BIOS key and enter that BIOS key on your motherboard and enter in the your BIOS settings.
Now we go to the our BIOS. In BIOS, just go to the advanced mode or just press F7. Here is the advanced mode. Just go to the advanced mode. In advanced mode, we find boot. Just click on the boot. Just click on the boot. In boot, just find secure boot. Here is the secure boot. Just click on the secure boot. Here we find OS type and just go to the here from Windows UEFI mode to other OS and just go to the exit. Here just click on the save changes and restart your machine, and after that just go to your installation, your Windows or Windows boot. Okay, I just go to the OK. I am currently installing Windows on my machine, so I go to the Windows installation. If your update is successful, then go to the your Windows login. Now I am going to the boot menu and going to the my bootable USB drive or the my Windows OS hard disk. I am going to the bootable USB media. Now my Windows installation is started. If you updating your Windows, then your Windows is start. If you restarting your Windows, then your Windows is start. So guys, this is the simplest way to solve this simplest error. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.